What's going on, everyone? Just gonna do a short little video today. It is super windy. It is finally warm here. It's like 68 degrees today, super sunny. The wind's probably horrible. But I was just going to do a little spring readiness for the bike. Gonna throw on a battery tender and wipe some of the dust off. It's still super salty and sandy here on the roads, so I'm waiting for it to rain. It's supposed to rain Monday and Friday here. Let's get all the salt off the roads. Finally be able to ride. It's super nice. It's like first week of March here, and I'm literally wearing shorts and a short sleeve shirt. And it's literally 70 degrees, so super nice. Super windy though. All kinds of salt and sand yet, so don't want to take the bike out quite yet. But it's still good. It's nice weather here, and it rained twice here. Once it rains twice, that's my little standard to get all the salt and sand off the road. But I should be posting motorcycle content soon. Super warm weather for Wisconsin right now. I need to get the bike on the battery tender, and I'm gonna wipe off some of the dust. So here's my setup. I have that plugged in. Go battery tender. It's flashing green, greater than 80%. And then I leave it around here, and I plug it in, and that charges up the battery. So now I am going to polish the bike a little bit, because as you can kind of see, there is a, right there you can see, there is a thick layer of dust everywhere. So I'm gonna clean the bike up a bit while I'm waiting for this. So I normally use Bug Slide, but I have this 303 speed detailer, just some cheap, easy stuff, and it, yeah, just helps keep the bike wet. But you can see here the difference. That's great. How it just kind of cleans the dust right off. Smart. The bike's all charged up, so got it somewhat clean. and she's ready for when it's warm next week, so I'm gonna pack up and get going. Hey, yeah, that's always pretty quick. The battery is under the gas tank on that bike, so it's a real pain to get to. You need to take all the fairings off and everything to replace it or anything, or disconnect it. Hey. So I actually have a disconnect on there. So I disconnect it for the winter. I'm done riding it, and it's really easy to charge back off that. Doesn't take much, doesn't take long. Just use a battery tender on there. Make sure you subscribe for more two-stroke content. This little scooter that rips. Keep her going. Don't wait for him. Also gonna rain. Gonna rain Monday, gonna rain Friday. Wash all the salt and sand off the road, it'll be nice. Super windy here today though. Wouldn't have been that great riding. It's always super windy the first day it's warm again. See all the sand. Live with the sand though. Used to it. It's that massive site. It is the salt that kills you. So thanks for tuning in today, and hopefully we'll be riding in a week. I'll see you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe. Work.